Color is everywhere around us, shaping our world in ways we often take for granted. From the vibrant packaging on store shelves to the carefully chosen hues of corporate logos, color plays a crucial role in design and branding. But have you ever wondered how designers and printers ensure consistent colors across different mediums and locations? Enter Pantone, a company that has dominated the world of color standards for over 60 years. Pantone doesn't actually sell ink or paint. Instead, they sell a language, a standardized system for communicating and reproducing colors. Their main products are color guides, essentially books filled with precisely printed color swatches, each assigned a unique numerical code. These guides serve as a universal reference point for designers, printers, and manufacturers around the globe. The story of Pantone begins in the 1950s, when the design industry faced a significant challenge. Color matching was inconsistent and often frustrating. Different printers might interpret the same color description in vastly different ways, leading to unpredictable results. Larry Herbert, who started working at Pantone in 1956 when it was still just a printing company, recognized this problem as a major business opportunity. Herbert's key innovation was the Pantone Matching System, introduced in 1963. This system assigned specific numerical codes to a carefully curated selection of colors. Each color had a precise formula, like a recipe, for reproducing it consistently. Instead of relying on subjective descriptions like royal blue, designers could now specify Pantone 300 and be confident that printers anywhere in the world would understand exactly what they wanted. The Pantone system quickly gained traction. By 1971, it was being used in 42 countries, and 2 years later, that number had grown to 58. The timing was perfect, coinciding with the rise of global branding and corporate identity. Companies needed a way to ensure their brand colors looked the same whether printed in New York, London, or Tokyo. Pantone provided the solution. But how does the Pantone system actually work? At its core, it's based on a set of basics that can be mixed in precise ratios to create a wide range of colors. Printers use these formulas to mix the exact shades specified by a designer. This approach allows for a much broader range of colors than traditional four-color process printing, which relies on combining cyan, magenta, yellow, and black inks. The Pantone guides themselves are meticulously produced to ensure consistency. Each page is printed using the actual Pantone inks, providing an accurate physical reference. This is why the guides are relatively expensive. A complete set can cost over $9,000. Pantone recommends replacing these guides every 12 to 18 months, as colors can shift over time due to factors like light exposure and handling. This brings us to one of the main criticisms of Pantone: the cost. For large corporations and established design firms, the expense of Pantone products is often seen as a necessary part of doing business. However, for freelancers and small studios, the price can be a significant barrier. A basic set of Pantone guides can cost several $100s, and that's just the starting point. The cost issue came into sharp focus in 2022 when Pantone changed how their colors were accessed in Adobe software. Previously included as part of Adobe's subscription, Pantone colors now require an additional paid subscription to access. This change frustrated many designers who felt they were being asked to pay extra for something that used to be included. Despite these frustrations, many designers still view Pantone as an essential tool. The shared language it provides streamlines communication between designers, clients, and printers. It allows for precise color specifications that can be consistently reproduced across different media and locations. This consistency is particularly crucial for brand identities, where color plays a vital role in recognition and emotional connection. However, some in the design community are starting to question whether there might be better alternatives. The idea of an open-source color standard has been proposed, which could potentially provide similar benefits without the associated costs. Yet, replacing Pantone's deeply entrenched system would be a monumental task. The company's near monopoly on color standards is the result of decades of industry adoption and the network effects that come with being the dominant player. As we look to the future, it's clear that color will continue to play a crucial role in design and branding. Whether Pantone maintains its position as the industry standard or new alternatives emerge, the need for a shared language of color isn't going away. The challenge lies in balancing the benefits of a universal system with accessibility and affordability for all designers. In the end, Pantone's story is about more than just a company or a product. It's about our collective need to communicate and reproduce color accurately. It's about the power of a shared language in creative industries. And it's about the complex relationship between standardization, innovation, and commerce in the world of design. As we navigate this colorful world, we're reminded of the impact that seemingly small details can have. The next time you see a distinctive brand color or admire a beautifully printed design, remember the unseen system that helps make that consistency possible. Whether you view Pantone as an invaluable tool or a necessary evil, there's no denying its profound influence on the visual landscape of our modern world.